My name is Jennifer Gore-Cuthbert. I'm the founder and owner of Atlanta Personal Injury Law Group in the Atlanta metro area. I decided to go to law school and become a lawyer because I had to go through the legal process when I was in an accident when I was in college. Unfortunately, when you go through the experience of dealing with a legal issue and you're not a lawyer, it's a very demoralizing process. You feel very overwhelmed, and I had to hire several lawyers, and I just thought I could do this. I think there's a lot of great lawyers out there that really have no idea what their client has actually gone through. You have to connect with your client, you have to have compassion, and that has been kind of easy for me. I was significantly injured in my accident. Another experience that I went through when I was about 20, my boyfriend from high school, he was killed in a motorcycle accident. And so it's very easy for me to put myself in the place of some of my clients who have lost a child or lost someone in their family. Lawyers are storytellers, and at the end you have to have a connection with your audience. If you don't have that compassion, and if you can't engage people in your story, it doesn't matter how great your technical skills are, it's a huge loss. I love the work that I do. I'm always at all of these different events. I'm always going to these events and trying to not only learn at these events, but who can I meet at these events that's going to open a door for me to find something else, learn something else. The great thing about TLU and some of the training is the technical things you can learn that go into the psychology behind why you do certain things. Why do you start an opening this way? There is data and science that if you do it in a particular way, you're going to be more powerful and more effective. So it's the combination of the empathy and the connection, and then sequencing things and doing things in a very tried and true way that you can learn from the amazing greats that are here at TLU. So I think you have to be at the forefront, go to all the things. 90% of success is just showing up.